Hello, today we will create this header from scratch.
Step 1. Install and activate the Elementor Header and Footer Builder. Go to the plugin option, click on Add New, search for Elementor Header and Footer. This is the plugin. Install the plugin. Once installed, activate. Step 2. Go to the Elementor Header and Footer Builder. Click on Add New. Write a title. Type of template. Select header. Display on. Enter website. Enable layout for Elementor canvas template. Template, select the Elementor canvas, then publish. Then click on Edit with Elementor. Now you can start customization. Now we need to add a menu. To add a menu, we need to create a menu. Go to the appearance, then menu. Click on create a new menu. Now write a menu name. Click on create menu. Now add the pages. Click on add to menu. Okay. Save the menu. Refresh the page. This is the menu bar. Home menu. Your header is now complete. Update it and let's check. This is the header.